everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how you can log in OkCupid with Facebook account. Before moving on, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Also hit the bell icon to get notification on our new videos. Moving on today's topic, we will see how you can log in OkCupid application with your Facebook account. Before moving on, you should also be logged into your Facebook account in your device so that it will be easier to log into the OkCupid app instantly. You can download the Cupid dating app from Play Store freely. After installing it, tap open the Cupid dating app here. Now you can see in the login page have many options, so go with continue with Facebook option. Then you will have to give access for the Cupid application to get information, your name, email addresses for the account making in the OkCupid. So tap on, if this is your Facebook account, tap on continue button and OkCupid will take information required to make account and to log in to you in the OkCupid application. Therefore, it has took your names and birth date from your Facebook. Now complete your profile and tap on save profile. Therefore, your profile is successfully saved and now you are logged into the OkCupid dating app with your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to log in OkCupid dating app with the help of Facebook. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section below.